Good morning, everyone. We are Group 29 from Binus University, and today we will be presenting our study titled Hamburger Menu versus Visible Navigation, a usability comparison on mobile and desktop. So, let me introduce our team. My name is Muhammad Alvin Arianda, and my partner is Wilson Fernando. S- So, navigation menu are a critical part of the user experience. There is a continuous debate in the design community between using space-saving hamburger menus and more immediately accessible visible navigation. Our study aims to explore user preferences and perception on both mobile and desktop devices. The goal is to provide insight that help designers balance usability with aesthetics. And here we have literature review. For our literature review, we examined several key areas. We started with the fundamental importance of navigation design and its direct impact on usability. We then looked at existing comparative studies on different navigation methods to understand the role of memory load in design. We specifically investigate the characteristic of hidden navigation like the hamburger menus and visible navigation such as tab bars. And finally, we consider the crucial difference in device context, comparing mobile versus desktop environments.
Moving on to our methodology, we employed a mixed method approach comprising both quantitative and qualitative components. Data collection was conducted through a Google Form questionnaire, which included a quantitative section with a 5-point Likert scale and a qualitative section featuring no open-ended questions. We recruited 30 volunteer participants from diverse backgrounds to participate in the online survey. For the analysis, we applied descriptive statistical methods to interpret the quantitative data, while thematically analyzing will be used to examine the qualitative responses. Next. And then for our results, both quantitative data and qualitative data converge to underscore the importance of device context in navigation design. Quantitative finding revealed a clear preference for visible navigation on the desktop device, where users rated it higher in terms of usability, efficiency, and overall satisfaction. In contrast, in mobile devices, the hamburger menu was favored due to its ability to conserve screen space and maintain a cleaner interface. Qualitative responses offered deeper insight into these trends. Desktop users valued immediacy and clarity of visible navigation, while many found the hamburger menu less intuitive due to the additional interactive steps. Mobile users, on the other hand, appreciated the mobile hamburger menu for minimizing clutter and maximizing content visibility, whereas visible navigation was criticized for occupying too much screen space and dismissing visibility. Taken together, our results suggest that navigation preferences are highly dependent on device-specific constraints and affordances. There is no universal best practice. Instead, effective navigation design should adapt responsibly to user device by aligning interface alignments with the platform strengths and limitations. Designers can significantly improve both usability and overall user experiences. And on the next slide, here are the tables for our visualization. And then next, for finally, for our conclusion, we have found that in this study, user preferences for navigation styles are strongly influenced by the type of device they use. Desktop users consistently prefer visual navigations, which received higher ratings for usability, efficiency, and overall satisfaction. This is largely due to the ample screen space on desktop, allowing navigation elements to remain visible without compromising content. On mobile devices, users favorited the hamburger menu for its compact design, which preserves screen space and reduces clutter. Visual navigations on the smaller screen was often seen as intrusive and less usable. This finding reinforced the importance of device-specific defined navigation elements should be adapted to suit the context in which they are used. While video navigation works best on desktop, hamburger menus offer advantages for mobile interfaces. In conclusion, this study highlights the value of adaptive design, a process that consider both user expectation and the physical constraints of different platforms, leading to a more efficient and user-friendly interfaces. And that is the end for our presentation. Thank you for listening.